we will.
Hey friends, welcome back to Kids Fun Learn Club with Parikshit. And today we are going to draw on a dirt bike.
It's going to be very difficult.
No problem. You can try. You can at least try. Because it's important that we try and we practice. Isn't it?
Okay.
No problem if you do a bad drawing or we do a poor drawing.
And the monster truck was so bad.
Yeah, so no problem. This dirt bike is also going to be bad. But it's going to be fun for all of us. Let's start.
Bro.
We will be needing a black sketch pen, a white paper, and we are using Sharpies and some colors. Okay?
You can use a pencil.
Yeah. So let's start.
Drawing the.
So it is going to be as easy as the monster truck. We'll make 2 wheels.
Yeah, the same.
Yes. But not as big as the monster truck.
Yeah.
The monster truck was a monster truck.
Yeah, it was a type of a truck.
Yeah, that is why we made very big wheels.
Yeah.
But this time we'll make smaller ones. Right, Parikshit?
Yeah.
The inner part. Okay. Do not hurry. Make proper circles.
Yes.
Done? You do not make these inner lines, okay?
Why?
Because you have already made a very small circle. We make one inner circle close to the other line, and then we make another small circle in the center. Okay. Now this will be connecting the bike with the body.
I think I also did it.
Very good. Now let's make the handle of the bike. How is the handle? A little slanting line and a straight line.
Little and standing.
And then we make the handle of it. Okay?
Just a little. Well, let me see a little.
Yeah.
Okay. This and this.
Okay?
Yeah.
And this.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And now we make the mudguard of it. The dirt bike's mudguard is on the very high from the tire.
Yeah, very high from the tire.
Yeah, like this.
What mudguard is this?
Now, what does the mudguard do? Do you know, Parikshit?
What?
It saves the rider from the mud. It guards the rider from the mud, and that is why it is called a mudguard.
Mudguard. That's why it's called a mudguard.
Yes.
It is guard also. It says guard also.
Absolutely. Absolutely, yes.
Oh, Papa, see, I sticked it.
Yeah, very good. No problem.
Now, do we have to stick it only?
No.
Wow.
Now we make the seat.
Now the seat is very easy.
Yeah, it's going to be very easy. And from here it will come down. And this.
But I'm not able to do this, right?
Why?
See, Papa, people get stuck.
No problem. Do it from here.
Okay. Okay.
Done. You just have to apply a little bit of trick to everything. This is the motorcycle chain. And these are called the spokes.
What are these books?
Okay?
Yes, make these books.
And now we make the silencer. What is the silencer?
What?
This is used from here. The motorcycle's smoke comes out.
Why does it need smoke?
Because the engine burns, and when the engine burns, there is a smoke that comes out. it becomes very hot, you know. You should always keep safe distance from the silencer because it becomes very hot. Here is the engine. How does the engine look like of a bike? Something like this. What happened?
You also cough in your videos.
Yes, I do. And a dirt bike is...
Abba, I can't understand.
Let me finish yours.
Do we have to do it in here?
This is the brake wire.
This does not look like
This is the petrol tank.
This does not look like a bike only.
Now, let's make the tire spikes.
Why are you making these bikes?
That helps the tires to not skid in the mud.
What are these?
Spikes.
What are these? This don't...
Then I'll make the spikes out of this. Like this. I'll connect them.
Okay.
Understood what are these?
Yeah. On the other side.
Oh God.
What?
It's a very tough drawing.
No.
And we are left with the coloring part also.
I told you it's going to be a tough drawing.
Yeah, it is.
Should we make a mud?
Yes, we will.
I'm starting to make the mud.
First, let's color the bike.
Okay. I'm coloring it now. So, do I have to color this? See, Papa?
Yeah.
See, Papa? See? Do I have to color this? See, do I have to color this?
No. We will be coloring it with a red, grey and yellow color.
I'm using my color combination. I'm taking my secret ones also. Okay. Yellow for what are you using?
For the front part. And for this part. This is our special dirt bike.
What is this? Papa, do you know something?
So parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at @KidsFunLearnClub and hashtag KidsFunLearnClub. And you can also buy the fun drawing books, step-by-step easy drawing books for your kids on our website www.kidsfunlearnclub.com. Yes, and we will be waiting for you and your orders. Until then, let us wait for Parikshit's drawings to get over. Okay? Parikshit, are you done? I want to drink a little bit of water. Should I?
Yeah. Say, what is this dust? What is this dust? Say, Papa?
I don't know.
It is scroll dot.
Okay. Parikshit, you are done?
Yeah.
So we are done.
Whose coloring is better?
Obviously, my coloring is better.
But this color combination is better.
Your color combination is looking better. My drawing is looking better.
Okay.
So,
I tried my best.
yes, he tried his best. So, it is important that you try your best, give your best.
Yeah.
And even if the drawing is not good, that is okay.
That's okay.
So, see you in the next video. The video could be on stories
Studies.
or experiments,
Then you do
unboxings, games, and a lot more fun with Parikshit on Kids Fun Learn Club. So do not forget to like and subscribe.
kidsfunlearnclub.com.
Do not forget to like and subscribe Parikshit's channel. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.